Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today I'm excited for our video. So as you can see in the video, it's going to be a Crocs Jibbitz haul. Y'all look at all these new Jibbitz that I got, and I'm super duper excited about it, y'all. 36 to be exact. So anywho, I don't want this video to be long, so sit back and see what Jibbitz I got. Enjoy. So I'm super duper excited about these letter Jibbitz that I got, because I'm going to make a Croc design for my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see, it's TFOL, which stands for Teacher Fashion on Lockett. So I'm super duper excited about this new design that I'm going to have. So guys, out of the haul, I think these are my favorites. Y'all, these cameras are so cute. I'm going to put them on my Teacher Fashion on Lockett crop design that I was just telling you guys about. Y'all, they so cute. And guess what? They light up. Hold on, I'm gonna try to show y'all. I had to tap them. Hold on, I'm gonna do it again. Hold on, watch this. That's so cute. All right, guys, so these are all the cute Jibbitz that I got for this haul. They are super cute. I hope that you guys enjoy. All right, bye.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.